What's that I hear? The sound of a brand swimming against the tide. In a world of downsizing, Tudor has just dropped a bombshell, the new Black Bay 68 series, and it's a bold 43 millimeters. Let's dive in and see what all the fuss is about. Now, some might raise an eyebrow at the 43 millimeter case, but Tudor says it's all about giving us options, catering to all wrist sizes. And let's be real, back in the early 2000s, bigger watches were the norm. So, the Black Bay 68 isn't trying to fit in. It's doing its own thing, and we can appreciate that. This is a rugged, beautifully built Tudor, pure and simple. The 43 millimeter stainless steel case at 13.6 millimeters thick and with a 51.8 millimeter lug-to-lug has a real presence on the wrist without feeling like a dinner plate. You've got that classic, functional, unidirectional fluted bezel with a matte black aluminum insert and the familiar dive scale. And of course, all the Black Bay hallmarks are here. The fluted crown proudly displaying the Tudor rose, a robust domed sapphire crystal, a solid caseback, and a capable 200 meters of water resistance. The mostly brushed finish is elevated by those polished bevels along the sides, a nice touch of refinement. Now let's talk dials. Tudor is offering two fantastic options, a deep Tudor blue and a striking silver, both with a cool brushed finish. The blue dial features silver-toned hands and indices, while the silver offers a beautiful contrast with black accents. Both dials feature those signature three-dimensional markers and hands packed with superluminova for incredible legibility. And you can't mistake that iconic snowflake hour hand, the sword-shaped minute hand, and the lollipop seconds hand. A crisp, printed minute track frames the design perfectly. It's a familiar formula that just works. Beneath that solid caseback lies the heart of this beast, the MT5601-U movement. This in-house automatic caliber from Kinesi is a master chronometer certified by Metas. That means serious precision, just -2 + 4 seconds a day, and it's resistant to magnetic fields up to 15,000 Gauss. Plus, you get a solid 70-hour power reserve. This is a true tool watch movement. And finally, the bracelet. It's the classic 3-link stainless steel design, but with a fantastic update. No more faux rivets. The brushed and polished finishing, paired with the incredibly convenient T-fit clasp, makes it feel more refined and comfortable than ever. While no strap options were announced at launch, this steel-on-steel look is just fantastic, especially with that Tudor blue dial and contrasting bezel. The silver dial option brings a touch of sophistication to this larger format. So, the big question is the 43 millimeter Black Bay 68 right for you? Because in terms of looks, feel, and that unmistakable Tudor quality, it absolutely delivers. It's a versatile addition to the Black Bay lineup, offering a robust, master chronometer certified option on a bracelet. Priced at around €4,730, it's a compelling choice for those who appreciate a watch with some serious wrist presence.